Hey guys, what's up? Want to show you what we discovered over here today. You may be having this problem out there, and we were kind of scratching our heads on this unit. This is a MacBook Pro, and we started with changing the hard drive. We did an upgrade to the hard drive, put this SSD on, and then we cloned the operating system because he wanted to keep all his software intact, and then he wanted to do also a backup. So what was happening is when we were transferring over to this backup right here, it would fail to transfer. It would start, and somewhere around, I think it wouldn't get to a gigabyte, right? Where would it get stuck? Not even a gigabyte. Yeah. Not even a gig, a couple hundred megs, and it would just freeze up, lock down the whole computer. So it was kind of crazy. The first thing we thought is, well, the operating system is whack, and I think the operating system really wasn't 100% anyways. So we went ahead, we reinstalled the operating system from scratch onto the new SSD. Same problem. We tried to go external over here, could not do it. So there we're trying to think, well, what are the other possible causes? One option could have been, bad USB ports, and that's creating a file transfer problem. So we kind of excluded the USB ports by grabbing two external drives. And we got this one here, I believe is what we were using. So we went external to external to see how that transfer went, and that worked fine. So there we kind of excluded the USB connections, the drives, these cables, all that. So then, the next possible candidate was this little guy over here, which is the hard drive connector cable ribbon, which you would think, I mean, it's doesn't move. There's no moving parts. There's really nothing that you would think would cause this thing to fail. But with our experience here, we've had probably 2 to 3. I think we've had 2 or 3 within the last year fail. For no apparent reason. It's not something that gets jarred around, but like everything else, everything fails. One day you're going to turn on your light bulb and it's not going to work. It was working perfectly yesterday, but that's how it goes, right, on the spinning planet Earth. So what we did is we tried another ribbon on it, and lo and behold, that solved the problem. So that's the point of this video. If you got that situation out there, we did some searching on YouTube, on the web. We couldn't really find anybody offering this solution. So that's why we wanted to put this out there. So if you're having that problem, transferring, locking up, check your hard drive cable. Thanks for watching.